Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh video. And today video guys, I would explain should you buy DJI Mavic Air 2 or not, because I checked like couple of days or 3 days and the recent video I uploaded, you guys watched it and liked it so much. Thank you so much for viewing that video and for liking. So today I realized to show you guys should you guys buy this DJI Mavic Air 2 or not. Some important things and some upgradation and some great things like that Mavic Air 1 didn't have and this Mavic Air 2 has that. So the first important thing is that guys, whenever we have drone, don't see the body, the product look is not important. The important thing is how much it can fly in the air, because we take the footage and footage you just can take when the DJI or any drone it flies more longer, the more you get good photos. So the battery of the DJI Mavic Air 2 is almost, they claim 34 minutes, but it's almost like 28 to 30 minutes. So tomorrow maybe I will drop the DJI battery review also, so must subscribe to the channel and push the notification bell on, then you will not miss that video as well. Other more review are also coming. But another thing is that guys, the camera. So the camera is also very important. The more bigger the megapixel size, the more good photos it brings. So it is 48 megapixel. The DJI Mavic Air 1 was just 12 megapixel. It is like iPhone mobile, but DJI Mavic Air 2 is 48 megapixel. So 48 megapixel is not a small deal guys. So it's bring very beautiful footage. I'm dropping some footage, you guys can see the quality of the footage, and the aerial photography is really amazing guys. So another thing is that this drone is a little bit heavier than Mavic Air 1. I am still using like Mavic Air 1. The Mavic Air 2 application has a very nice option, is very simple and easy too. So the application is also very easy. In the Mavic Air 1, we supposed to use our mobile for the recording videos or looking after down of the controller, but in Mavic Air 2 we use the upside of the controller. So this is very important thing, and you don't need to put out all the antennas, and it's also with an antenna. So this is very nice, and it cannot move and it looks like very nice in hand and it's not slippery. So this is important thing. So guys, let's talk about should you buy or not. If you don't have any drone, like if you have Mavic Air 1 or any other drone, still your drone camera is working good and the footage is still good and your viewers are liking that, you don't need to upgrade that, because it's not that cheap guys. Okay, it would cost you much money. If you are rich guy, you have a lot of money, so then you can buy, doesn't matter. But if you have like even Mavic Mini, it's also good because it's bring you a lot of good footage, and it's good for at least you can have a good quality of drone footage. If you don't have any drone and you want to buy a drone and you have money, you want to upgrade with the good drone, then you can go with the Mavic Air 2, but it's very expensive. Like it's not that cheap. It almost cost you like 1,000 US dollars, so it's not that cheap. In China the price is 7,200 RMB, so it's almost 1,000 US dollar. And with one battery like not combo, you can buy just with 5,000 RMB, but if you wanna buy the combo size, it's like 1,000 US dollars, 7,200 RMB. So it's very expensive, it's not cheap. So another thing is that guys, if you are aerial photographer and you don't have any drone, you want to have great footage like 48 megapixel, then okay, you can go. But if you still have drone and you can use that drone, you don't need to upgrade that much, because it's not necessary to we just see the product and buy it, because a lot of other products are coming maybe next year, maybe in coming days the other companies or DJI would announce maybe more, but more better than this one. So we cannot upgrade any new product. So my opinion for you guys, if you don't have much money and you don't need to upgrade that, if you're still using that, and if you have much money, you can buy this expensive product, then you can go with the DJI Mavic Air 2. So guys, this was my personal opinion, should you buy this drone or not. There I was something like I showed you the importance with the DJI Mavic Air 2, the upgradation with DJI Mavic Air 1 is not that much difference, but still some good thing in DJI Mavic Air 2 we can find, like the distance like 10 kilometer, and the DJI Mavic 1 was just like 4 kilometer, and it's working like with the radio signals. Signal is very strong, and another thing is that like the battery is 35 minutes, DJI Mavic Air 1 18 minutes, but still they claim like 21, but still like 16 18, and Mavic Air 2 drops like 28 to 30. So things are okay for longer fly, but still is okay. DJI Mavic Air 1 is also that much better drone. So guys, I hope you would understand that my opinion, and you can see your pocket, your account, and I hope you would like this video guys. Tomorrow I'll bring you another great review about the drone. Maybe tomorrow, weather is not good tomorrow, but I will try to make it the vent and also the battery live, you know, the battery comparison with Mavic Air 1 and the Mavic Air 2. So then you can also decide the battery timing and all the things you would see. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please smash the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it means to me a lot. So until tomorrow guys, take care of you and your family. Bye bye, love you all, good night and peace.